I've done this all by myself.
Recording content.
I'm legit gonna cry.
Dog. Say hi. 1 month ago, I told Manya, let's go.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and
Don't put this in your vlog.
I am putting this in my vlog.
Yeah, you're not putting this
It
in
is
your
literally
vlog.
my intro for the vlog.
You are not putting this in your
Yeah, we are making Maggie before I go on vacation. Yes, I'm going on vacation.
Maggie and YY mix.
Yeah.
How it will taste.
Let's see, we are experimenting Solpa.
We're not experimenting. This is the only thing left in the house.
Yes.
No choice.
So we are eating YY mixed with Maggie. We'll see how it tastes, okay? Moment of truth, guys. Moment of truth.
You already tasted and you told it's perfect.
I only ate the cheese, you dumb fuck. I have to mute that. Mmm.
Good.
Mmm.
Should I start mixing Maggie and YY every time?
Mmm. Mmm. Yes, I like. It's nice. Bye bye. Travel safe. Yes.
Hi guys.
actually
Welcome to Riri's vlogs. We're finally going. See, this trip is so close to the both of us because we made it one day before exam, and we didn't think that it would actually end up happening.
But
And
it's
I'm near Christ College, by the way, which sucks.
BT.
Yeah.
1 month ago, I told Manya, let's go. And now we are actually going. We didn't even take it seriously that time.
Bro, I didn't take it seriously until today morning. I thought she will ditch.
No. Oh, wait. I was the one who booked tickets. I was the one who's behind her. Like, book tickets at the earliest. I booked everything, okay? And she's telling me I will.
Guys, Mamas, if you're seeing this, we love you. Like, we love you
love you.
a lot.
Full from bottom of my heart. Full love coming.
Oh shit, filter glitch ho gaya. Yeah, okay, we love you, Mamas.
Bye bye. Bro, I'm 5 hours into the journey and I'm already dead, okay? I'm shivering, it's so cold. And I'm still somewhere near Shivmoga side. So yeah, let's see how this goes. I just want to reach Bombay at this point. It's too cold, bro.
मुझे घर जाना है मम्मा की याद
so cold.
I miss my mom.
I miss my bed, bro. I miss my mom. My mom is not answering my call. So we'll reach Mumbai at what? Some 11 in the morning, and that time I will continue the vlog. I look like a mess right now, but yeah, I just woke up. It's a bus ride. What do you expect? I'm somewhere near, I don't know where I am, but somewhere near Navi Mumbai. Yeah, so bro, there's like McDonald's, KFC, Starbucks and all here in some junction. I don't know. I plan on eating McDonald's for breakfast. Let's see. No, bro, I don't think I want to eat McDonald's for breakfast. I just want to go back to sleep. I will vlog again once I'm there in Mumbai. Anyway, bye for now. I have to wash my face also. I'm just praying the washroom is clean. रुको भाई vlog करना है. Okay, bro. I washed my face. This lady is dragging me. Washroom was not that bad. We are in Mumbai right now. Oh my god. We reached Bandra. Oh, I was Bombay, and it's taking time for me to soak in that I'm actually in Bombay right now. It looks like Bangalore only, but except everything is written in Hindi, not Kannada. But yeah, the city is beautiful, bro. We got this tiny place, which is very cute, by the way, just for me and Manya. Yeah, little fit check. It's very cute. I like it. It's nice. We can just get ready and cut from here. The last vlog, Mansi was forcing me to come to Mumbai.
Flashback.
And she's going back to Mumbai tomorrow.
And she's coming with me, just for your information. I'm packing her. I have a very big suitcase, so she can fit in it very easily. She's very small, not how you see her in videos. So she'll fit inside. I'm taking her. Guys, now you'll see Mumbai content. Tell that you're waiting in comments for
Yes.
Mumbai content.
Yeah, I'm gonna fit in her bag and I'll also try teleport to Mumbai now.
Yeah.
I will miss you.
No, I will not miss you because you're coming with me. You're not just understanding what I'm saying. I'm telling you, you're coming with me and you're like, I will miss you.
Okay. And here I am in Mumbai. I'm going to surprise her. Bro, I'm too scared she's gonna cry, bro. She has no idea all this is happening. Bro, Mansi is right behind this thing. She's right behind it. Shit. Manya still didn't come for me to even go and surprise her. I wanted to record. I can't wait any longer. Should I just go and surprise her like right now? Come there. Yeah. Come.
Recording contact.
What's wrong with you? Are you okay? She's in Sadma right now. Sadma, no reaction. She just.
Namaskaram.
गाइस ये रीरी हर चीज का व्लॉग लेती है. मैं थक गई हूँ. मैं एक दिन में इसको व्लॉग 20 व्लॉग ले लिए होंगे इसने एक दिन के.
एक ब्लॉग 13-14 मिनट का होता है बेबी. क्रिएटर लाइफ कांट हेल्प.
ऐसा नहीं बनना मुझे क्रिएटर.
Bro, she's Sadma, bro. She still can't believe I'm here.
cannot. This is impossible. Impossible, bro. Impossible.
Possible हो गया हम इधर हूँ.
Someone like Ritu got her sister or what? No, maybe I didn't know she has a sister.
Yeah, bro. I have a twin.
Yeah, can be.
Yeah, Ritu is there at home, Bangalore.
गाइस हम ऐसे स्पीड में चलेंगे तो कभी नहीं पहुंचेंगे.
Yeah, okay. We need McDonald's, guys. We are hungry.
बाय व्लॉग.
Bye, vlog. This girl is making me walk too fast.
It's Mumbai, bro.
Bro,
Bangalore and Mumbai.
it's so hot here, bro. I miss Bangalore already. My hair is greasy. I just came directly. I reached Bombay. First thing I did is meet her. My hair is greasy. I haven't washed my face. I feel so dirty. And now I'm going to McDonald's.
Get into a local train.
You know,
So you don't talk.
bro, I'm not getting into local train, bro.
You are. Get
Sorry,
the experience.
that
baby.
one thing I will
Get the
never do
experience,
is-
baby, straight.
Okay. One thing I'll never do is get on a local train, bro. It's okay. That one experience I'll skip. It's fine.
No. That's the main.
Bro, she'll be the end of me, bro.
Yeah. I'll be there.
भाई तेरा फूल.
पागल. इतनी पागल है ना पागल.
फूल देने के लिए आई हूँ मैं बैंगलोर से. Just to give you flowers.
गाइस मुझे डिप्रेशन हो गया मेरे थोड़ा सा. ये मेरे कॉन्सर्ट का बैग है गाइस. कॉन्सर्ट का बैग.
Crazy.
इसमें पार्ट्स भरेंगे हम.
Ree, you're getting late.
A tale the whole city knows. Rhythms in the shadows where the cold wind.
This Travis Bhaiya is not coming on time, bro. Too late it is. Travis Bhaiya, be more punctual.
It's come outside.
this point, I will become a Travis Scott fan. Like, no cap. 1 hour, okay. 1 hour show was so good. It's one of the best no, not even one of the best. It is the best concert I've attended till date. Damn, I will become a Travis Scott diehard fan now. I know, I get it why people love Travis Scott now. I love his music, but at the same time, I'm not a huge fan. But now, I've changed my opinion completely. I'm becoming one diehard Travis Scott fan.
The next day.
Bro, I am legit gonna cry because the hotel I booked, the room which I booked online was different, and the room they gave me now is different. And now they're like, that room is overbooked, we can't help. That last hotel also wasn't that great, and this one is also not as. Literally an hour ago, I was crashing out because of the hotel and everything, and now I'm there at the beach, and God, this feels so good. For a second, I forgot that I've come here alone with Manya, of course, but yeah, without my mom, without family, I've come here alone, and all this is bound to happen, you know, everything is for the plot. I'm so glad I took this trip because this thing has taught me a lot. This trip has literally taught me a lot. I can't even express how happy I am right now. It's just so peaceful, bro. The beach looks beautiful. I got my food and my view is crazy. Wait. This is my view and I'm eating. This is little hard to soak in, bro. I'm just processing everything at this point. मैं भी जा रही हूँ I actually made it to Mumbai. I'm here all alone. I don't think there's anything else I would ask for. It's always been my dream to like travel alone, see places. Now that's all coming true, it's kind of hard for me to like wrap my mind around that fact. I am gonna cry now. I am crying. This trip has been so emotional, bro. I don't know. Especially now that I could like finally process that I'm actually here. It's hitting me too hard. I'm not able to like control. I'm just crying. I've done this all by myself.
The next morning.
No, we are still here. We are leaving. Adi. Yeah. Hey, say hi, Ra. Hi. Noble Hotel and Noble, na? Notel.
Look at. Wow, that's great.
Oh, what the least tripod she has.
Oh, this is for videos. Say hi.
Yes. Okay, yes.
It's so pretty, okay, uncle. Say hi. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi.
Definitely telling my kids about this trip. Using my dialogues in the vlog. I already told that before.
That's my eye makeup.
My friends have finished 2 days of Rolling Loud and I still haven't reached home.
Us bro, wait. We'll also do Rolling Loud concert. My bitch is gay.
I'm still trying to like, bro, how is this happening? They finished 2 days of Rolling Loud and I still haven't reached home.
I don't listen to Central C, guys.
I love Central C. I stand Central C.
This is the last vlog we'll ever do before the trip ends, and we're already really sad about it. And we both look chopped as fuck because we slept for 12 hours.
More than 12 hours.
Yeah, more than 12 hours. Say hi to our Baldana girl. She can't open her eyes.
Bro, I'm just
only.
happy that I'm
And the
reading
sky is
Kannada,
nice.
bro. No, like for real, I'm just happy that I can see Kannada here.
Yeah,
From past 3 days I'm reading.
Ritu misses our Kannad nigga. Bye guys. Hey.
You go back to your
Hey. Okay, bye.
See, your food is there, go. Your food, see, go.
Just cause I'm vegetarian, bitch.
One eternity later.
Bro, I'm so tired and so done. Never traveling by road again, guys. I regret life now. What was supposed to be a 16-17 hour bus journey turned out to be 24 hours. I'm done. Never doing that again. Bro, I saw Vidhan Saudha and I've never been happier. I'm so happy to be back to Bangalore, bro. It's so nice to look at Vidhan Saudha, you know. You haven't seen my city in 5 days and now I love my city, bro. I love it. I love being back.